So this is the Bali airport, 7 o'clock at morning, and to be honest, I never saw the airport so calm and so quiet at this time in Bali before in my life. Yeah, the tourists drop like 50-75% at this time. Let's go inside and let's see how it is. Good morning. So I'm going to Singapore, but I will talk about that later. I just want to show you guys how the airport in Bali is so empty.
Be alarmed, as this is only a precautionary measure. Thank you.
So the situation in the airport is like you can see, it's very quiet to be honest, but the atmosphere is very calm. Plan is I'm gonna go to Java, I wanna buy something there and I'll make some material, show you guys around. So now I'm going to Java and I just see the departure board with so many flights are cancelled, especially like Singapore, Bali, Singapore, Jakarta, by Garuda Indonesia, Scott Airline and more. Finally arrived to Java and the atmosphere looks very normal, really. Nothing spectacular at all. By the way, this is Starbucks Reserve. What is interesting, this is, looks like real jungle next to the wall.
Carried all the weight on my shoulder. Had me going ever once I told you no. Told you no. Kept going like a marching soldier. Play my part, boy, I had to hold you down. Hold it down. When the tidal waves come around and wipe off what we built, would you fight for love or would you back down and let our hope drown? When the world is everything to break us up for good, would you hang around? When all we got right now, tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah.
Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, soñé que me querías, pero no es cierto. Solo lo haces pa' que yo esté contento. La chispa de la llama se apagó lento. Cambiamos mentiras por juramentos.
I arrived to the Somerset, to the Orchard, and heading to the hotel. And now I'm just thinking, because I booked one nice hotel, but the room was mystery one. Yeah, I don't know, it was no pictures of the room or anything, it was just a mistress room. But as I know, the hotel is nice, so let's see. And I'm so surprised because I got the room with the, well, let's say Marina Bay Sand view is quite far. Now I'm planning to go to Gardens by the Bay and Marina Bay to show some stuff about the show. I hope so will be enough time. I forgot what time it's starting, but arrived to the Gardens by the Bay, and now I can see some people are making some kind of artistic pictures. By the way, this building is also looks quite interesting, as you can see. It's very quiet, it's very nice. Let's see. I wanna just see the show and I'm gonna go home to do not get too much tired. The situation in Singapore looks like everything is alright. Everything seems to be steady. People normally walking on the street, running. Most of them they're not wearing the mask. I used to buy something in the shop and I talked with the Chinese people who selling there, and they said no, it's the normal situation. Yeah, we have like 166 people infected, but 90 already recovered, and yeah, what you can do, you just have to work. You just have to be careful. I have my alcohol cleaner all the time with me. Look at the Singapore, it's so calm, it's so quiet, not many people. It's really nice. Let's see the show. Gardens by the Bay by night.
Ahora en un rato
So as you can see, the crowd is like usual. It's like no panic at all. Everybody calm, not even wearing masks. All is good. So I hope so also will be good. Everything will be. So, mission complete. That's the most important. Finally I make it. Last time I saw it like 4 years ago. So. Well, the show is still there, but I'm already getting tired, and I don't wanna be sick and just chill out. I got the extra 2 hours in the hotel because I don't know, I just got this. So yeah, I hope so all will be good, and wish me good luck. So tired. It's 10 o'clock p.m. I am just gonna have a dinner in some Mexican restaurant. one. I have some fancy Mexican drink. So cool. I ordered my favorite quesadillas. I hope you enjoy that. Yeah, we will see. Tomorrow just chill out in the hotel. I just wanna go to the Celavi, the club on the top of the Marina Bay. Alright, so I got my chicken quesadillas, actually chicken, beef and the barramundi. The all cost me $16, $15.19 including the drink. Hi sayang!
Hi, Lee.
Oh, look at this, such a nice shirt sayang.
Yeah,
Oh, how do you feel? You still sick?
much better.
Take care sayang, yeah? We see you tomorrow at this time, yeah?
Yeah, honey. I love you.
I love you sayang. Good morning, Singapore. As you can see, I have a view for the almost full of the Singapore. At the front is the Singtel Tower, and more further is the harbor and of course Marina Bay, which is so cool. I was so tired yesterday. Today I'm gonna make some more material. I hope so you can see the view was very I'm gonna go out to have some breakfast. I am also going to have a breakfast. Let's see how it is. We'll have some breakfast today. Alright, so this is my breakfast for today in this nice restaurant. And yeah, let's have it. After breakfast next door, let's see how is my temperature. Temperature check.
So? Alright, thank you.
I'm healthy. Thank you. So I'm healthy with no problems. So that's the most important thing. So everywhere in the hotel, the signs like that. Everywhere in the hotel, they are like kind of, you know, what to do, what to do with the virus. So it's quite nice with that. And as you can see, I just go back from the lift to the tower 1 to tower 2, and here is also one thing what is good to buy in Singapore where you arrive is something like this. This is the SIM card with 100 GB for 1 week. Just cost me $15, which is like around 10-11 US, 150k in Indonesia. And you have also $3 for the train, bus, MRT, whatever. Another interesting thing is when you buy the SIM card, inside is a mini map of the MRT, which is very handful. So this is the Singaporean Post motorbike car. inside the Marina Bay, and it's business as usual, but it's quiet. I have to say, compared to the other times, it's so quiet. And is the some security who is checking the people temperature, but the automatic, the big camera, but making automatic, not like in the hotel. And also the counter, so they count how many people in. And as you can see, it's so quiet. Actually, that was so, some people was at the beginning, but now I see it's actually quiet. Feel it plain. The brands like this, they always quiet, but I see also some customers there. So I'm gonna hit now to the Selavi. That's one of my favorite places in Singapore. I hope so it's open, and we will see the Singapore from the 57th floor of the Marina Bay. Okay, now what this looks very scary, like from some kind of apocalyptic film movie, is like promenade access is closed. There is this famous circle waterfall inside the mall, and it's totally closed. And sorry, before I said as we are in Marina Bay, I was in Marina Bay by Sands shopping mall. Now I'm heading to the 3 Towers, which is over there. Inside the Marina Bay is not so many people, but it's not as less than I was expecting. I was expecting this will be really not many people, like almost empty, but it's still quite a lot of people, so we will see. We're going to Selavi. Okay, so we are on the Tower 3 and going to Selavi, which is over here. I just bought my ticket to the Selavi bar, and the interesting thing is, as the guy kindly informed me, as the mask is not allowed upstairs, which is actually quite interesting to the whole opinion what people saying. Let's see. By the way, tickets cost me $23, and I can use it for the drinks. It's okay, no problem. No problem.
Oh, sorry.
You alright?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so I gonna go to the hotel, pick up my bag, and I gonna go to the airport. My flight is at 8:45, but I just gonna be here there, and that's it for today. So I'm already in the airport, terminal 4 of Dziękuje airport, and looks quiet, I could say. Oh my god, I never saw the airport so quiet like this. Look at that. So quiet. So I don't know what should I say. It's just very quiet. Nobody here. I wonder how many people will fly to Bali right now, because from Bali, for many reasons, will fly quite many people. But I'm really curious how many people will fly to Bali from Singapore. Let's see. Oh, and here is the boarding. Not many flights anyway. Just few. Okay, anyway, going to find my lounge. As you can see, it's like getting to be there, like something like in 2008. This virus, people dying, it's very bad. Feel so sad with that. But now I'm in Singapore, now I'm in the lounge, and like you should see before, there's nobody here. Look, nobody around me. Every stocks are going down, like 5% is minimum almost of everything on the New York Wall Street stocks. In Singapore is also very quiet, so God bless you all and stay positive. Stay in the airport in Singapore.
Flight QZ509 to Denpasar, Bali. Please be informed that row 125.
So just arrived home to Bali, and you saw it. It's not even many drivers, because for not many people coming. In immigration the queue is reduced from the 1 hour plus to around 15 minutes, so it's, let's say, really quiet. Officially from today the borders are closed in Indonesia, so if you wanna come to Indonesia you have to get a special visa in the embassy, and with the doctor certificate if you are not sick, and situation is quiet. Not is very stable. Thank you guys for watching. I hope so you like it. If you like it, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it's very important for us, and feel free to share it. See you next week with another episode from Bali, and let us know what you would like to see. See ya.